Hello and welcome. How to answer the question, could you describe a particularly challenging project you've worked on and how you successfully overcame the challenges? Thanks for sharing your career background and motivation so far, Sia. I'd love to dive a little deeper into your problem-solving skills. Could you describe a particularly challenging project you've worked on? What made it difficult and how you and your team managed to overcome those challenges? Absolutely. I'd be happy to share an example. One of the most challenging yet rewarding projects I worked on was during my time at DF Solutions, where we handled a complete migration of an existing e-commerce platform from a legacy system to a more scalable and modern architecture. This migration was mission-critical. The legacy platform was outdated, had limited scalability, and was affecting performance. But it was also the company's main revenue stream, so we couldn't afford any downtime or disruption to the customer experience. There were a few major challenges we had to navigate. First was data migration. We were dealing with a massive amount of customer information, product catalogs, and historical transaction data. Any loss or mismatch in this data could result in operational disruptions and customer dissatisfaction. To address this, we carefully mapped out the data structure, conducted multiple dry runs, and built automated data validation scripts to ensure everything aligned correctly during migration. Second was minimizing service disruption. Since we couldn't shut down the platform, we developed a phased rollout strategy. We migrated different modules, like user accounts, order history, and the product engine, in separate stages, while keeping the old system partially operational. This allowed us to test and validate each phase independently before fully switching over. Another significant challenge was technical compatibility. The legacy system was built on older technologies that didn't naturally integrate with the new stack we chose, which was built around React, Node.js, and MongoDB. I led the effort to build custom APIs and middleware services that acted as a bridge between both systems, ensuring a smooth flow of data and functionality throughout the transition. One of the biggest lessons for me was the importance of communication and cross-functional collaboration. I organized frequent check-ins involving developers, QA, DevOps, and business stakeholders to make sure we were all aligned. We created a centralized tracking system to catch issues early, and this transparency helped us make quicker decisions and adjust when necessary. In the end, the migration was a success. We achieved a seamless switchover, avoided major service disruptions, and significantly improved platform performance. The project not only strengthened my technical and leadership skills, but also taught me how to manage complexity, stay calm under pressure, and always keep the user experience in focus. It was definitely one of those projects that pushed me out of my comfort zone, in the best way. That sounds like an incredibly complex and high-stakes project, Sia, and it's impressive how methodical and strategic your approach was. Your attention to detail with data integrity and your phased migration strategy really stand out. I also appreciate how you emphasized communication. That's often overlooked, but makes such a difference in fast-moving, high-pressure environments. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.